In this video we're going to look at how we record journals in Sage. Now journals are used to record transactions that are not recorded in our other main books of account. So for instance they're not going to record sales invoices or purchase invoices or cash and receipts and bank payments because all of those would be recorded elsewhere in Sage and also in other accounting books. So to give an example, we'll go into our nominal codes, and on nominal code 7550 for our telephone record, which records our telephone costs, I've got £1,002 recorded so far. But let's say that we wanted to split out from those telephone costs the amount that was actually paid in respect of mobile telephones. Well, it's straightforward from this point onwards, but what do we do because when we record new invoices, rather than sending them to the telephone nominal account, we can just send the appropriate ones to the mobile charges account. But what do we do for those ones that have already been recorded against this telephone account? Well, one way to correct it would be to calculate what portion of that £1,002 relates to mobile charges, and then we can record a journal entry to move that portion out of telephone and into the mobile charges account. So what I'll do is in my nominal code section, I'll click on journal entry. This opens up a journal entry posting. Now because I've got the telephone line highlighted, Sage makes the assumption that at least one of the entries in my journal will relate to the telephone account. In the reference box on the screen, we can put the reference that's associated with this transfer. It might be a reference on a memo instructing us to make this change or something similar. Then in my in this table down here, I can record the debits and the credits. Now I want to move, let's say, £500 out of the telephone account and into mobile charges. At the moment I have a debit balance of 1,002, so I'm going to reduce that amount by £500 by recording a credit. So I'll put a brief description in the details column, and then in the debit column I'll record credit column, I'll record £500. Then I'll record the nominal code for mobile charges, and I'll record the details as before, and this time I'll record a debit of £500. If I now click on save and look at what's happened to those two accounts, I can see that the telephone account has fallen to 500 and the mobile charges account has increased to 500. And that is how we would record a journal in Sage.